Yeah.
Okay, you find out the why over here.
Why, yeah.
Yeah, it's so important. It's vital because without this, you will not be able to push the person to purchase, right? Okay, good. So let's say he told you his problem right now. He told you why he wants to make the deal, what he's trying to solve with this deal, right? People always try to solve something with the purchase. People, they buy solutions. They never buy things that they don't need. You buy this pen, so you have a solution. Whenever somebody's doing a seminar, then they can write. You buy a tissue because sometimes your nose gets full and you need to blow your nose. It's a solution, right? So you have to find out what he's trying to solve with your solution, right? So then, as a step 3, you get into the offer and the marketing. Now, in offer and marketing, you give your offer, like what you are providing and how you are providing it. And marketing means basically to push something into a market, to show different viewpoints about it, to increase the knowledge about your product. And it is so vital because people make decisions that we talked about based on 2 things, emotional and logical, right? So the marketing step has to handle the logical part. Over here you need to make it so that buying from you and using your product logically makes sense. So you should increase a logical certainty where here's the price and here's the certainty, right? So you should increase the logical certainty above the price. Oh yeah, this certainty, I'm more certain that it will help than I'm worried about the price. I'm gonna go and buy it now. You see? That's what you have to achieve over here. And that is why it's so important that when you're offering to people, the offer should be transparent. They should know, like, okay, what are the different steps? What are the different details? What is the prices? What is the comparison of your prices to somebody else's in the market? Okay, how long does it take? Okay, which country? Okay, every single detail. Okay, why and while you're telling him the data about your product and your offer, you should always aim, to show it in a way, like, why is it beneficial for him? Yeah, exactly. So in that way, you increase the logical certainty, right? And then once that is done, you can get into basically to the